Here are 5 things you didn't know about Bayard Rustin, the forgotten hero behind the March on Washington. First, civil rights leaders tried to hide him from the public because he was openly gay and had been arrested for homosexuality. They feared his personal life would destroy the movement's reputation. Second, he organized the entire 250,000-person march in just 8 weeks from a tiny, cluttered office in Harlem. Most people said it was impossible, but Rustin made it happen. Third, he personally designed every detail, from the stage layout to coordinating thousands of buses and trains, bringing people to Washington. Fourth, he stayed awake for 3 straight days before the march, walking the streets at dawn, checking every single detail. He wanted nothing to go wrong. Fifth, when Martin Luther King delivered his famous "I Have a Dream" speech, Rustin stood in the shadows behind the crowd. The mastermind who made it all possible watched from the darkness, hidden from history.